Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Web Coding with Ankur. Today we are going to dive into one of the fundamental sorting algorithms in computer science. The name is Insertion Sort. We will use JavaScript to implement and understand it step by step. So let's get started. So as you know, the topic for today's video is the sorting algorithm, which name was Insertion Sort. So what is Insertion Sort? So Insertion Sort is a simple and intuitive comparison-based sorting algorithm. It builds the final sorted array one item at a time with the overall structure resembling the way you might not playing cards in your hand. Here you can see, if we move on to our slides, we have a problem statement and see how the insertion sort works. Here you can see the problem statement. We have an array of integer and it gives we want a sort array sorted. For example, here in case you can see that on constant array we have 12, 11, 13, 5 and 6. This is an unsorted array. After insertion sort, it will return 5, 6, 11, 12, 13. Now, let's see how the insertion sort works in an unsorted array. So, here you can see that here are some steps to how to sort an unsorted array. First of all, we virtually split the array into a sorted and unsorted array. So after that, we can take a second element to be matched with the first element which we consider to be already sorted. Then we will compare that current element which we need to sort with the sorted portion which we consider as the first element in the array to be sorted. So we compare that current element with the first element which is already being sorted. After that, if shift the sorted element to the right until the current position for the current element is found. Then after that, we insert that current element in the place it in the correct position within the sorted portion. Then we repeat this procedure or continue with the next element and repeat the process until the entire array got sorted. These are the steps to how the insertion sort works for unsorted array. Now I give you an example and let's see how the example works with an insertion sort example. Here I have an unsorted array which is 12, 11, 13, 5 and 6. This is our unsorted array. After that, we need to sort this with the help of insertion sort. So let's together sort this array with the help of insertion sort. Here we consider 12 as we consider 12 as the sorted portion of the element. Consider first element to be sorted. Now we reach to 11, second element which is 11. Now we compare 11 with 12 as 12 is greater than 11. So the 11 we move to the left. We compare 11 with 12. So shift 12 to the right. So 12 will be moved to right. So here you will get this. After that, we insert 11 to its correct position. Then we compare 13 with 12. Now, as you know that 13 is greater than 12, so we do not need to shift this. After that, we move on to next element which is 5 and compare with 13. As 13 is greater than, so 13 is moved to right and 5 is come here. Okay. After that, 5 is compared with 12. 12 again, 12 is greater than 5, so 12 is moved to the right, then 5 will be moved up. 5, then we compare with 5 and 11, as 11 greater, so 5 is inserted to the current position, 11 is moved to the right. Inserted 5 with the correct position. Now, the sorted array we come here, 5, 11, 12, 13, 6. Now, we sort another element which is 6 and compare with 13. At 13 is greater than 6, then 13 move to the right. Then we compare 6 and 12, it moved to the right. Then 11 and then 6 with 11 moved to the right. And then we compare 5 and 6. As 5 is more than 6, then we insert this current position. So as you know that 6 is the last element of the array. So we reach the end of the array. So we get the sorted array in the order of 5, 6, 11, 12 and 13. This is how the insertion sort example. This is how I illustrate the example of how the insertion sort works. I hope you understand how the insertion sort works. In the next video, we will continue with the practical example of how to sort an array with the help of insertion sort.